Setting up iCloud after signing up is essential for managing your Apple devices and data. Follow these steps to complete your iCloud setup. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Enable iCloud services. Once signed in, you will see a list of iCloud services. Choose which services you want to enable, such as iCloud Drive, Photos, Contacts, and Calendars. Toggle the switches to turn them on. Step 3. Set up iCloud Backup. In the iCloud settings, scroll down and select iCloud Backup. Toggle the switch to turn on iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now to create an immediate backup of your device data. Step 4. Manage storage. To ensure you have enough space for your data, go back to the iCloud settings and select Manage Storage. Here, you can see how much space you have and manage or upgrade your storage plan if necessary. Step 5. Sync your devices. To sync your other Apple devices, sign in with the same Apple ID on those devices. Ensure that iCloud is enabled on each device by going to Settings, rename iCloud, and toggling on the desired services. Now you are all set up with iCloud. Enjoy the convenience of having your data synced and backed up across all your Apple devices.